Let me show you some secret codes that we can use on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 and Z Flip 7 FE. So first of all, we're going to open the phone app, and then in the keypad we can use those secret codes. Let's start with *#0*#. If you enter it, you will open the test menu where we can perform various different tests over here. Let's actually go back. Another code that we can enter is *#06#, and this one allows you to open the information about IMEI and serial number, as well as EID. Then there is a longer one. Let's see if it actually works. It's *#12580 *369#. And it does work. We have the RF call, and the some additional information. I'm not quite sure what type of information this is. Then we can use this code over here, so *#0011 and end it with the hash. Once again, there we go. And over here we have some kind of service mode. Apparently this is for GSM network status information. We can also use this code, *#0808 and end it with hash in order to open USB settings. Let's go back. Another one is quite similar, but we're going to use 1234 instead. And we have some version information where we can find the name of the model, for example. There is also 2663. And over here we have the Wi-Fi and the Bluetooth version information. So here we have the Wi-Fi version where we can apparently refresh Wi-Fi version. There's also Bluetooth version over here. Then we can use 9090. And this one is some kind of diagnostic configuration. Then we can also use 9900, which is a sysdump menu. Over here we can find some hidden options. And there is also a service mode apparently. Let's see if it works. This one is quite longer. It's 2683662. And it's quite empty, unfortunately. And there is nothing here as well. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.